With this simple and easy Pear Preserves recipe, you'll learn a wonderful way to store the delicate fruit for a later date. We know it's not a usual fruit to preserve, but it's a tasty one nonetheless. Start by adding the water and granulated sugar in a pot. Bring to a boil. Add in the diced pears and lemon slices, then let it boil slowly and gently until the pears are tender and transparent. Place the pears in a sterilized jar, pour the boiling syrup, and seal. Now place the sealed jar in a large pot covered with water 1 inch above the top of the jar. Bring to a boiling point and let it boil for 20 minutes for a pint-sized jar and 30 minutes for a quart-sized jar.